In this video, I'll show you how you can add a new page on WordPress. Now this is really easy, guys. What you gotta do is you wanna just select your page and head to your admin dashboard. Once you're in here, what you wanna do is head over to Pages, click Add a New Page, and then you'll be able to create a new page. Now once you're in here, you can give it a title, and you can do all of these here on the left-hand side. So just type it whatever you want it to be, and new page. Simply press publish, and once you've done that, it will now have made a new page. Now you can do the status by clicking on this, select if you want it to be private, draft, published, whichever. You can also select when you want it to be. So if we come up here, page, you can select if you want it to be immediately, or if you want it to be scheduled, and all stuff like that. So that is basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.